All right, today I am in search of halo-halo inside a coconut shell. Oh, and by the way, at the end, I'm gonna have a special unboxing of something I just bought. I had one of these many years ago when I first came to the Philippines, and I want to try to see if I can find one today. So far, I haven't had any luck. Join me on this adventure, and hopefully we will find the coconut shell filled with the halo-halo. So I had gotten a lead that they used to sell them down here at this wet market. But when I got down to the wet market, they told me apparently the old one had burned down several years ago, and then it had flooded. And anyway, basically the people that sold this type of halo-halo weren't there anymore. But they have told me that where I should go and try, and they thought there were several stands. So gonna grab another pedicab, head across town, and try to get there. All right, so we found it. It's the Buko Halo-Halo, Buko for coconut, and it looks fantastic. And mix it all up the proper way so that you get a little bit of flavor with all of the bites. Oh, it's got the coconut in it, corn, little candies, the ube, which is like a sweet potato ice cream, and some ube sauce in the real coconut. This was 70 pesos, which is, I don't know, maybe $1.40 US. Oh, that's good. This is really good. Yeah. Okay, that's the best that I've had since I've come back. I'd had it years and years ago on my first trip down here to Mindanao, actually. But, oh, this is so good. This is so much better than what you would get in the stores. Excellent, excellent. So that Halo-Halo was absolutely fantastic, and the people there are so extra nice. I'll put their information up there if you're ever in Digos and you want to try it. Like I say, everybody has their own take on Halo-Halo. They were great. They set that place up 4 years ago and started, and it was very, very popular. There's a lot of people coming and going while I was there. Super nice people, really good chefs as far as the Halo-Halo. All right, so now let's head back to the house and open the box. All right, we're back, and it is really, really hot here in the Philippines today, especially in this room. So this is what I got. I don't know why they put it in a bag. Oops, dropped it out. Ha! So the significance of this is that I'm gonna have to get something to use it with so that I can get around the Philippines to go to all the waterfalls and the different places. Just be much easier having some transportation. So I'm gonna be going on the lookout for that and match it up, and I'm gonna bring that to you in a video, the whole experience. At least you'll get to see what I got in the end. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more. Don't forget to like the video. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next one.